Do you really lost motivation doing online courses? Are you seeking for some advice to do online courses? Or a student want a few tips to continue a streak of online courses? Then it's must watch video, guys. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's I'm going to show is online doing online is advantage or disadvantage. So is beneficial of doing online courses or not, guys? So the true answer is yes. So doing online courses have so many benefits, guys. So in today's I'm going to say what are benefits of doing online courses and compared to offline courses. So at the end of the day I'm going to have a few tips, guys. So I have seen students so many students are my friends and my schoolmates. They're just losing motivation to do courses, guys. So I have seen students they will be starting one course of 1 week. So after getting 1 week they can't able to continue the streak, guys. So at the end of the video I'm going to share a few tips, guys, how to complete the course on time on the process, guys. So if you're a student, you just want to tips, you can skip the video until the end, guys. You can watch those tips. Otherwise, if you want to do if you want to watch full video, do watch till the end, guys. Let's get started. The first one in my list is, guys, so you can schedule your own calendar, guys. Let's say if you're going to college, so where the faculty and college management are going to design timetable for you, guys. So you couldn't able to manage everything, guys. So in my case, in my college, I couldn't able to control my timetable. College faculty, they have their own schedule. I just need to sit at one class and class is it's like a combination of 4 hours. We cannot expose ourselves in college, guys. So I just need to follow all kind of instructions like robots. So I feel in online courses, online classes, you have freedom to choose your own title, guys. Let's say in my opinion, I'm a morning person, guys. So I used to work morning. So I think when compared to my friend, so my friend Arunachal, he's working at night, guys. So he's a right person. So even one more friend Kishore Ganesh, so even he's a right person, guys. So it depends on person. So when it comes to online class, you have your own advantage of choosing your own curriculum, guys. So you can schedule on time. Let's say in my case, I used to work at least 8 hours in a day. So it's some other persons he just works 4 hours in a day. So when you go to online, when you go to physical classes, we just need to you just need to follow dummy syllabus, dummy timetable which is implemented by college faculties. Whereas in comes to online classes, you just have your own curriculum, you just have own plans, you just plan account to yourself, guys. So this is the reason I feel online classes and online courses are best advantage, guys. The first advantage of doing online courses. The second advantage, guys, asking downs. So I don't know how many people know about this. So I see course in course you have a call tab called discussion tab where you can contact ask people guys. So let me give you an example. So if a student you go in college every day, so if you have a doubts we are just asking teacher about doubt, guys. So you will getting only one type of answer. Let's say if you have a doubt in some formula, let's say a plus b whole square formula, you have a doubt in the formula. When you raise the doubts to the faculty, he's just going to give one solution for you, guys. He's just going to give one type of doubts clarification to you. Whereas in online platforms, you have many students, many faculties, many kind of seniors, juniors. So you have you have plenty of students, so you will get different types of response, guys. Let's say in course law, you have a discussion tab in every course. So where you can take look out, guys. If you have course law account, you can just log into some course and you can take discussion tab forum groups, guys. Where if you raise any kind of law, you will be getting multiple answers, guys. So by comparing this all answers, you can solve the question which have doubt in simple way, guys. When compared to college and online classes, you need to what to say, you need to follow only one time instructions. So you just need to follow him or faculties. Whereas in online courses, you just plenty of solutions. You just need to combine all kind of those. So you can you can solve in simple way, guys. So I feel this is going to be helpful for students, as you know, especially for engineering students. You will getting plenty of sums to solve, especially in programming. So I feel going to physical classes, you won't be get a good interaction when you compare to when discussion clearing doubts, guys. So this is my second advantage, guys. The third advantage is free. So yes, guys. So as you know, especially for engineering college, you need to pay lakhs of money for paying tuition fees, guys. Let's say in my opinion, I'm paying around 1.60,000 for 1 year. Let's say some other college from tier 1 college, they used to pay 3 lakhs per year, guys. So paying that huge amount, it's not going to be I feel it's not going to be useful, it's not going to be worthful, guys. So I feel the current generation, I feel those complete 12th standard right now, they can they have online courses, even Harvard, Stanford, top universities offering online courses. You can just pick those courses, just paying little amount. I feel 10,000 is for one course, guys. You just they can take those courses and you can do this course, guys. So you're going to get good exposure compared to this kind of college. You're going to get good exposure in online courses, guys. So I feel instead of spending huge amount for unnecessary, you can get this course, guys. So I'm not saying about degree is not necessary, guys. So if you like degree person, you want degree, then you can go for colleges and you can do side courses, guys. So like inside you should not pay the course, guys. So let's say like if you want to do Android development courses, you have like plenty of free courses, guys. Just like go and search in YouTube, you get plenty of courses. So even I made one video on Android Studio, like things for Android development. So you can watch the video. I will bring link in here. You can check out that video, guys. So like I mean, like if you want to pursue a college and go and pursue, like I'm not saying about anything about that. So once you go to college, like college syllabus not only like it's not going to helpful for any life, guys. Just like a like you will get a paper, it's just a degree paper, like it's not going to be like your full life, guys. So life won't depend on like, what are things you know additionally, guys. So as I said before, like if you want to pursue college, just go and pursue. I'm not saying about anything about that. So once you go to college, just don't ever like fix to those kind of subjects. Just do online courses. So you have plenty of courses in Coursera. Just like go and apply for financial aid. So if you even don't know how to apply financial aid, I have like tons of video on Coursera. You can check out a playlist. I will link in here, guys. You can check out a playlist to get like financial aid. So even Udemy, you have like lots of platforms, even like YouTube. So they have like great channels in YouTube. Like you will get enough, like plenty of number of solutions so that you can like just go and study and you can develop your project, guys. So if a person like who does not want to go to college and who does not want to spend huge money, then just go for the top university. They have offering online courses for all kind of students across the world. You can just pay some little amount. Let's say like it costs around like 10,000, guys. So like maximum 10,000. Just go and apply those courses and study, guys. So there's a third advantage in my list, guys. The fourth in my list, guys, you have like plenty of resources for like solving question, guys. Let's take example, guys. If you're going college, you will be getting one kind of assignment from faculty, guys. So it's not going to helpful. Let's say in programming, let's say you're learning some C++ language. In C++, like you just need to solve as many problems as you can, guys. So when you just stick to the offline classes, physical classes, you won't get this kind of like experience of online courses, guys. So let's take like example of colleges, like you're learning C++ in college. So whereas one faculty is like teaching you, he just giving like 5 sums to solving every day, guys. So those 5 sums like might be like difficult or medium, it might be whatever it might be. So you're only getting like one kind of resource from the online classes, offline classes, guys. When compared to online courses, online classes, like online like free courses, you will get like plenty of solutions, plenty of problem, plenty of solutions, guys. Let's say in Coursera, you will getting like after completing each topic, you will be getting quiz over there. So after completing each domain, after completing day 1, day 2 tasks, you will getting assignments. So even like if you are not satisfied that, you can like go to like GitHub. You have like so many of problems solution over there. Even you can try HackerRank. You have like CodeChef. So one good part of CodeChef will get like huge cash prize, guys. So in CodeChef, they have a huge amount of events. So you can try it out, guys. So I feel like online classes are the best thing when it comes to like solving problems as much as possible. So these are 4 advantages in my list, guys. So in my opinion, like I feel like online classes, online courses are the best way, guys. So like as you know, like I just want to learn all kinds of myself learning, guys. So I won't depend on any person. I just want like one laptop, good internet connection, that's going enough for me, guys. I can learn everything. It's all matter of searching thing, guys. So if you have a good YouTube, like if you have good search in Google, so you can search whatever you want. Then it depends on person. In my opinion, I feel like online classes, online courses are a good part, guys. Okay, to take part, you have like you have a full time, you can utilize whenever you want to study, you can study. As I said before, like it depends on person. Like if you want person, like I'm a morning person, so one person might be evening person, one person night person, so it depends on person, guys. So I feel like in my opinion, online classes are the best part, guys. Now let me share like tips for the college students who want to do online course. I feel like lot of students are getting like losing motivation, like they are not able to complete the online course in a stick, guys. Let me share those my experiment tips, guys. The first tip I used to follow all the time is scheduling the events, guys. So let's say if you're taking some Android development course, in Android you have like around like 50 hours lessons, guys. So let's say you have 50 hours like sessions over there, just like split the lessons, guys. Just like just 3 months, and then like per one day, like you just like spend 2 hours, guys. Just like fix a schedule a calendar, just topics in it, like type everything in calendar, guys. Just follow according to it. Just like plan before, guys. So this is what I want to trying to say. You just like use a Google Calendar. You can plan everything, organize everything, and just follow as you plan, guys. So the first tip I want to share. Second tip, guys, just allocate time for yourself, guys. So I have seen students like spending like huge amount of time and spending like Netflix and Hotstar, they binge watching movies and series. So instead of spending like some dummy stuff and some nothing, like it's not going to be useful for you, so spend the time in like doing online course, guys. So same way, like in Netflix you're going to watch some movies which are not going to be useful for you, whereas in online course you're going to like watch some useful stuff, guys. It's going to be helpful for you, guys. So I have been suggesting even this my sisters and my friends too, but no one is linked. Like feel like at least those are watching video, like they can like follow the steps, guys. So I feel like you can watch the steps, guys. Just like stops. I'm not saying about the like stop halting, guys. Just like spend like half an hour for the entertainment, even just spend for these courses, guys. So the second tip I want to share with you guys. The final tip, guys, just follow Pomodoro technique, guys. So I don't know how many people know about more Pomodoro technique. It's like a 20 minutes technique, guys. So as a human psychology, even like scientists and researchers says, the human cannot focus on a particular thing after 20 minutes, guys. So after 20 minutes we just need a break, at least like we just need to have a break at least 2 minutes, guys. So like just follow Pomodoro technique, guys. Just like switch on your phone, you have a stopwatch on your phone, just like place the stopwatch on your phone like near the desktops, and just like others give some alarms after 20 minutes, guys. Just after doing some 20 minutes, just like take a break, guys. So taking break is not about watching other series, guys. Just like take 2 minutes and just do some meditations, others just go and have a cup of water, others cup of whatever, have a tea or coffee, it might be depends on person. Just like take a gap between 20 minutes, guys. Just take a 2 minutes gap and again start the doing courses, guys. So these are 3 techniques I follow to do online courses, guys. So even sometimes I feel like losing motivation, but I'll somehow make complete as soon as possible, guys. So it all depends on the inner motivation. So it's all about the self-learning motivation, guys. So these are 3 tips I want to share with you guys. I hope this will help you guys. If you want to make this kind of videos, online classes videos, and do comment in box, I'll try to make this happen on regular basis, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, make sure to subscribe my channel, guys. So even you can join our channel, Discord channel. So we have plenty of, even we started events connecting in channel. Don't miss out opportunity, guys. Link in description. You can use that link to join Discord channel, guys. We have plenty of opportunity coming over there. That's it for today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon.